Wow, Oliver, it is 1 p.m. already. Time flies when you are busy.
You're right, Sophia. My stomach is making noise. It is definitely time for lunch.
Mine too. Do you usually eat a big lunch or something light?
I prefer a medium lunch. If I eat too much, I feel sleepy in the afternoon. Today, I have a fresh salad with grilled chicken.
That sounds perfect. I am having a vegetable soup and some whole grain bread. I like warm meals, even in the afternoon.
Soup is very comforting. Do you eat while you work or do you take a real break?
Oh, I never eat at my desk. That is a bad habit. I go to my balcony. I like to look at the trees and the street while I eat. It helps my eyes relax.
That is a great tip. I usually go to the park near my house. It's only 5 minutes away. I take my lunchbox and sit on a wooden bench.
Walking to the park is a wonderful way to get some fresh air. Do you see many people there?
Yes, many people walk their dogs or sit in the sun. It's a very peaceful atmosphere. Sometimes I see children playing with a ball.
It is good to see life moving around you. After you finish your lunch, do you come back to work immediately?
No, I take a 10-minute walk around the park. It helps my digestion. Moving after eating is very healthy.
I agree. I usually do some light cleaning at home for 10 minutes. It keeps my house tidy and keeps me moving.
Tidy house, tidy mind, that is what they say. Do you drink tea or coffee after lunch?
I prefer green tea in the afternoon. It is lighter than coffee. What about you?
I sometimes have a small piece of dark chocolate and some water. It gives me a little sugar boost for the afternoon tasks.
Dark chocolate is a healthy choice. It has many antioxidants.
Exactly. Now I feel refreshed and ready to start the second half of my workday.
Me too. Let's go back to our tasks with a smile.